In today's video, I'm showing you guys a huge shoe haul with some spring shoes. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Patty and today is Tuesday Shoes Day. Every Tuesday here we talk about shoes, and today I'm bringing you guys a huge shoe haul with some spring shoes from Cuccoo. Cuccoo is one of my favorite shoe brands. I have shared a few of their shoes before on the channel. Their shoes are super soft, super comfortable, definitely walkable, breathable, and best of all, they're affordable. I also have a coupon code for you guys to save 15% off. I'll leave that right here. And I'll also leave it in the description box. I'm also going to be leaving the links to every single shoe down in the description box. And the shoe lover in me is so excited to share these shoes. Let's go ahead and jump right into the video. So the first spring shoe that I'm sharing is these bright, bold pink booties. These booties are super bright, super bold. Color is a big trend for spring, summer, bright, bold colors. And I feel like these booties are so great for spring, especially in the beginning of spring where it's still a little chilly. I feel like you can still wear a pair of booties, and especially a pair of booties like these with a bright, bold color. They definitely scream spring. The material is super, super soft. Like I said, I've talked about Cuccoo shoes here on the channel before, and I love their shoes because they're super soft, they're super breathable, and honestly, all of their shoes are walkable. I actually have these in all black, which you guys are probably tired of seeing here on the channel. I've shared them so much, these exact same ones in black, and they are super, super comfy. Those are shoes that I can wear to go out to dinner, to go out with my girls, to go out for anything, because they're super, super walkable. And I had to get them in this color. I feel like this is a great color for spring. The transparent heel, I feel like, gives it a nice trendy touch. The bright, bold color makes it a nice spring shoe. Definitely a great pair of booties to have to kick off the spring. And now the next spring shoe from Cuccoo in this shoe haul are these mules here. Now these mules here are in a beautiful purple color. This is the color of the year, very Perry. I spoke about that in my color trends report with you guys. This is the color for 2022, very Perry. It's a beautiful purple, subtle color, and I feel like it's a beautiful color for spring. I have gotten so many pieces already in this color. I'm honestly mentally and physically ready for spring. And a pair of mules for spring, I feel like it's a classic type of shoe, definitely a great shoe to have. It's a comfy shoe, something that's easy to just put your feet in and go right out the door. And the material here, like I said, it's like stretchy and kind of soft. It's like a super soft woven kind of fabric. And it has a great height heel, definitely a good walking shoe. I feel like a pair of shoes like this, a pair of mules, you can pair this with a skirt, with a dress, with a pair of jeans. I feel like the possibilities are endless. And honestly, in a color like this, I feel like it will definitely pop. Like I said, this is a trendy color and a very bright, fresh, airy color for spring. Now the next spring shoe in this haul is my favorite shoe out of all of them, and are these open-toed pink sandals. I am so in love with these shoes. I feel like they're super girly. They're definitely spring ready. They have that fabric-y material here in the front, and what I love about that material is that usually with shoes like this with a single strap, if it's kind of like in a faux leather material or any other kind of material, after a while when your feet start to expand, if it's too hot or you've been walking for too long, that strap kind of starts to hurt. But this material feels super, super comfortable, so if that was to happen, I feel like your foot wouldn't hurt. And this shoe here is in that trendy pink fuchsia color that's bold and trending for the spring. And the heel is my favorite part. The heel has like that nice funky heel. It's kind of skinny on the top and then wider on the bottom. I gave you guys a sneak peek of this shoe if you saw my shoe trends for spring summer 2022 in that video. I told you guys that funky heels like this is going to be trending. You're going to see that in a lot of different types of shoes. So I gave you guys a little sneak peek and I shared this shoe with you guys in this video. I feel like this shoe is super trendy. It's a girly, ready for spring with a bright, bold color. And it also has a long lace here that you can tie around the ankles. You can play around with it and tie it higher around your legs. I feel like this shoe here, you guys are going to see it all spring and summer long on this channel. They're just too cute not to style over and over. Now the next spring shoe from Cuccoo in this shoe haul is another pair of strappy shoes, but these are a little different. These are pointy toed and they're closed toe, and these are also in a bold color but in red. I feel like you can never go wrong with a pair of bold red shoes. It's definitely needed in your wardrobe because a pair of shoes like this will definitely add a pop to any outfit. You can pair this with an all black look, a pair of black jeans and a nice black top, and adding a pair of red shoes like this would instantly add a pop to a look like that. And like I said, Cuccoo has a ton of comfy shoes. I have yet to try any pair of their shoes that I feel like I wouldn't be able to sustain them for a lot of hours. The heel here is in a block, a chunky blocked heel, which is a comfortable type of heel to walk in. And these, just like the last one, you can kind of tie around the ankles. These straps are not as long as the last shoe, the pink ones, but these are just kind of meant to be tied around the ankle. And the ankle strap, I feel like it kind of gives it a nice little added touch to the shoe. And they do have a kind of like cushiony on the inside, which I feel like makes the shoe even more comfortable. Definitely a great pair of ankle strap shoes for the spring. And now the next spring shoe from Cuccoo is another pair of booties, and these are in all white. I feel like I had to update my all white booties. I had a pair in all white and a different finish, and I feel like those were just kind of just dragging. I felt like they needed a little update, and these white booties here from Cuccoo are perfect. And also a pair of white booties are great for the spring. A pair of white shoes just kind of gives off a nice fresh touch to a spring outfit, and these are just kind of like the pink ones where they have kind of like that knitted woven material all over, so they're super stretchy, super comfy. And these also have like a lower heel height, kind of in a block style. These are again another great pair of comfy shoes. I feel like you cannot go wrong with a pair of white ankle booties in your wardrobe. Now the next spring shoe from Cuccoo is a pair of sneakers. Now I've shared a shoe haul before from Cuccoo with just sneakers, and I love their sneakers because not only are they comfy, but I feel like they're stylish. Like, they're not boring sneakers. Now these here are in the color of the year, Very Perry. I told you guys I am obsessed with this color. This purple color I feel like just gives off a nice spring vibe, and when I saw it on a sneaker, it just instantly just caught my attention. I feel like these sneakers are super chic, kind of like dressed up sneakers. These are great for like a weekend when you want to run errands and you don't want to look frumpy, but you still want to be comfortable and not necessarily dressed up. I feel like a pair of sneakers like this is perfect. They do have a gel bottom, like a gel sole, all in purple, and I feel like that's kind of what makes the shoe like a nice comfy walking shoe. I really love that they're all purple, even down to the laces. This is definitely a monochromatic sneaker here. And now the last pair of shoes in my shoe haul with Cuccoo shoes are a pair of wedges. I feel like my shoe haul couldn't be complete for spring without a pair of wedges. Wedges are a classic pair of shoes for the spring, for the summer, and I feel like these here are super classic, super cute. They have the woven knitted material here in the front, and then they have the wicker base bottom. What I love about these is that they're not super high. I've had wedges before that have like a really high heel, and I definitely feel sometimes super high wedges can be a little uncomfortable to walk, or you need to be very careful so you don't fall. But I feel like this is the perfect height, not too low and not too high. It also has some nice details to it. It has two gold little holes on the side. I feel like it adds a nice little accessory to the shoe, and it's a ankle strap style. I don't know about you guys, but I feel like wedges like these, especially with the wicker bottom, I feel like it's such a classic shoe to have for spring and summer.
Give me comfort that I crave.
Don't forget to check the description box for all the links to these shoes, as well as a special coupon code for you guys to get 15% off. And if you missed my last video, I was showing you guys how to style wide leg pants for spring. I'll go ahead and leave that link for you guys right here.